Hey Boulder, you need to take a bath because you're playing so much outside in the mud. You're so dirty. I don't want to take a bath. Well, too bad. He fell. Where's Boulder? Where's Boulder? He's disappeared. Time to get some rocks. Oh, watch out! Look what you did! Oh, you buried the wheel loader. We need help. We need someone to rescue us. I know. Let's get Boulder, the construction bot. Can you help save us? All right, Boulder. Boulder, you gotta dig the rocks out too. You gotta help clean up the construction spot. Okay. Look at this, baby. Look, he carries a lot of rocks, huh?
This guy carries mud, dirt.
Here you go.
Yeah.
What else can you do with Boulder, huh?
Bulldoze on the other side.
All right, let's bulldoze the other side.
He's got a big old blade.
He's got a big old blade, and he gets pretty good for a transformer toy. He's a really good construction toy, huh? And then let's transform.
Now I'm bulldozing.
Oh, let's bulldoze. Oh, he's making a lot of dirt, huh? That's very good, huh?
That's some wet dirt. In here.
Look at the water. It's going down.
That's some muddy water.
This is gonna be the mud pit.
Let's get to me. That's enough.
That's enough? That is a lot, huh? Is that too much?
It's
a big old mud, huh? So muddy, dude. Wow. There's just so much mud here. I did a lot of work, and now I'm so muddy. I'm stuck. JJ, I'm stuck. My feet. Help me out. Dig me out.
I have to transform.
Transform. It's time for some excavating. In the dirt?
In the muddy.
Does anyone need rescuing? Are you stuck in there, wheel loader? Here, let me just pull you out. You're doing it? Okay, alright. Here, I'm just gonna dig some mud out.
I did too.
There's a lot of mud in here, huh?
What? Dada. He's staying right here in the mud because he sticks. He's sticking in the mud. I'm okay.
Let's get the mud out. So muddy.
Why is it so muddy? Because there's mud everywhere.
You're loading the truck with mud, huh?
Not so. I'm digging in the muddy water. I'm putting some out to the wall.
Oh no! Boulder is stuck. He needs rescuing. Here.
No, this guy. Don't throw this one, Boulder.
Oh, all right. We'll go inside some. Hey Boulder, you need to take a bath because you're playing so much outside in the mud. You're so dirty. I don't want to take a bath. Well, too bad. He fell. Where's Boulder? Where's Boulder? He's disappeared. He's disappeared. Boulder, I'll save you. I'll rescue you. Where's Optimus?
Right here.
It's okay, guys. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm okay, guys. I'm just having a
I'm
bubble
ready.
bath. Woo! And I'm right here.
I can let him too.
Too much bubbles. Hi guys, you guys were awesome, huh?
I want Boulder because
Up those. It's so slippery here. Oh my goodness. The kids, you gotta be careful in the bathtub. It's slippery when wet. Yeah, I know. It's so slippery. I was slippery and sliding, Yes. Alright guys, so it's always a good idea to be clean.
I was running around.
Yeah, especially after you're playing in the dirty mud, you gotta clean up. Yes, clean up. It's good for you.
But we clean up Boulder because we put him in the muddy dirt and we clean him up.
Gigi, Boulder and Optimus Prime, they think we can't find them. Well, you know how we can find them? Like this. We'll just pull the drain. And we'll watch the water go down. Eventually the water will go down. Turn on the water. Watch out. And there they are. They're right here. Optimus Prime, transform. And Boulder.